in some of the earlier videos, I would give you a problem like this. Me having a bag of sweets, all the sweets are identical apart from the colors. I would pick out a sweet, take note of the color, let's say purple, and then I would always state me putting it back, and then shaking it about, and then picking out another sweet at random. But now we're going to move on. We're not going to put it back for now. We're going to take out two sweets. So let's say this one here, and then, well, not putting it back. And then we're going to pick out another sweet at random. Well, what would be the probability of these two sweets having the same color? Okay, so there's no replacement this time round. So we're just going to pick out a ball, and then pick out another one. So it's a sweet, not ball. Well, anyway, what is the probability of us picking out the same colors, the two same color sweets with two picks? So to do this, draw a picture or draw a map of all the things that could happen. Well, let's say you start here. You're going to put your hand in this bag here. What could happen? Well, you could pick out a purple one. You could pick out a white one, or you could pick out a black one. Okay. Okay. What's the probability of us picking a purple one? It would be 3 out of 11. Well, what's the probability of us picking a white one? It would be 6 out of 11. What's the probability of us picking a black one? It would be 2 out of 11. Okay. Now, let's say you're here at the moment. You're going to put your hand in there. Let's say you're going to pick out a purple one. Okay, just say you picked out a purple one. Hang on. So this one goes. Okay, so we've just picked out a purple one. Now come the second pick. What could happen? Well, we could get a purple one. Well, don't forget this column here represents our first pick. Now we are going to do our second pick. So on our second pick, we could get a purple one, we could get a white one, or we could get a black one. Now, because we've just picked out a purple one, so we've gone down this route here. What's the probability of us picking another purple one? Well, it would be, well, there's only two left. So it would be 2 out of, well, it's actually 10, not 11, okay? It's 2 out of 10 because we've just picked out one, so there's only 10 balls, 10 sweets left. So 2 happens to be purple. Now, so we are still down this purple route here. What's the probability of us picking a white ball? It would be, well, it still remains 6. There are still 6 balls, but the thing is, it's not 11. It's 6 out of 10 because, well, you can see from here. Now we're still on this route here, the purple route. Well, come the time of our second pick, what's the probability of us picking a black one? Well, there's still two in there, so it will be 2 out of 10. Okay. Now let's go back in time. Let's put this purple one back. Okay. Hang on. Bear with me. So we're going to put this purple one back. Okay. Now let's go back to the beginning. Now you are here. Now what is let's say we've just picked a white one from our first pick. So we've gone down this route here. So let's get rid of this one here. Oh, that's a silly choice, but never mind. So now we've just picked out a white ball here. Okay. So this is white, 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 and white. Now, come the time of our second pick, we could pick out a purple one. We could pick out a white one, or we could pick out a black one. Okay. Now, what's the probability of us picking the purple? Well, we are on our second pick at the moment. We've just gone down. We've just picked out a white one here, so we've gone down this route. What's the probability of us picking a purple one? Well, there are still three purple balls in there. So it would be 3 out over 10. Okay. So, well, now, what's the probability of us picking out a white one? Well, there's only 5 left. So it would be 5 out of 10. Okay? And then probability of us picking a black ball. Well, there's still 2 in there. So it's 2 out of 10. Okay? Let's put this white ball back. Hang on. Put this white ball back here, so it's here. All right. So now let's go back to the beginning. So you are here now. You're going to put your hand in there. This is still on your first pick, and then you happen to pick a black one. Oh, okay. Hang on. Bear with me on this. So hang on. Let me try and remove this one here. Yeah. Let's say you just picked out a black one. Okay. So you've just picked out a black one here. So this is our black ball. Now, so we've gone down this route here. We've just picked out a black one. So on our second pick, we could pick out a purple one, we could pick out a white one, or we could pick out a black one. Okay. Now we've just picked out a black one here. So we've gone down this route. What's the probability of us picking a purple one? Well, it's going to be 3 out of 10. Now, we are still on our second pick. Probability of us picking a white one would be 6 out of 10. But the black one, there's only 1 left in there. So the probability of us picking another black one would be 1 out of 10. Okay? So probability of purple and purple equals, well, we need a purple one and a purple one. So you've got to get this times this. Remember, if it's an and, you have to times. If it's an or, you add. So we need a purple one and a purple one. So that would be 3 over 11 times 2 out of 10. Okay, so that top times top is 6, and then this one here would be 110. Bottom times bottom, and then well, to find out the probability of them being the same, white and white would be a good outcome. So you need W here. So probability of white here would be 6 out of 11, and then you times we need a white and a white here. So we need to times it by 5 over 10. Okay, so this would be 30 over 110. Now another good outcome would be a black and a black. So black and a black. So that would be 2. So we are going down this route here. So black here is 2 over 11, and this black here 1 over 10. So this would be 2 over 110. Now, so the probability of the same is this route or WW or BB. Okay. Now, if it's an or, we need to add. Okay. So we basically need to add this, and this. So probability of same equals 6 over 110 plus 30 over 110 plus 2 over 110. So that equals 38 over 110. Okay, so this would be your final answer. Okay, yeah. So when we don't replace the ball, the switch, remember this goes down by 1. Okay, the second time round. So here it would be 6 out of 11. Here it would be whatever out of 10, because you've just removed 1 ball. So be careful there. Okay.